Hey, I'm gonna try to clean my spouts today. I hope I survive. I'm gonna go up this way and walk up there instead of putting the ladder and moving it every 3 or 4 feet. I should have extended it before I put it up. Oh, I'm not as young as I used to be. Did you know that? I might need your phone. Oh boy. Going up, taking up some string. I'm gonna pull up the leaf blower. Is that a good idea? I'm gonna see. Might be wet. Here I go.
Be careful.
Yeah, I got the glasses cam so you'll see what it looks like. I know I gotta hammer one nail in. And hopefully you can attach the hose or the leaf blower. Maybe I should carry the leaf blower up now.
Yeah, should I get it for you?
Carry that and all this. All right, put this in my pocket. Put this in my pocket. Be careful, okay? Leaf blower coming. I got an extra battery in my pocket. All right.
Please be careful.
All right, see ya. I did it once before, a few years ago, but I was younger. We're moving on up. Watch my roof break. This one here, this patio. Shaky Jake coming in. Here we go. I'm getting a raise. All right, now don't fall on this stuff. I'm gonna blow this off too. Here we go. Oh, I'm halfway there. I'm gonna walk where the nails are because that's where the studs are. Where's the nails? Nails are all over it. Yeah, this is dry. All right, let's not break this thing. Here I am. Oh, see? It's not that bad. But my neighbors think I'm crazy. They'd be right. They'd be right. Oh, I'm here. I'm here. Hello. Be careful now. All right, let's see what goes on here. Little by little, all right? Got the rope. Got the hammer. Got the satellite dish. Hey! No, she gonna record me. Yeah. Watch. Uh-oh, there goes my string. There goes my string. Anyway, that's how much I need. See it? See the string? Oh, this ain't bad. It's not bad. I hear you. Stop. Don't. Huh? No. Well, I didn't get down that way yet. Or on the back. I'm not going nowhere. Oh boy. Forgot my gloves. I'm all right. Oh yeah. All right. Oh, there's some more. I should have brought the hose up, huh? Oh, it's gonna. See when I'm done. Almost. Pretty good. It's okay doing it like this, right? What's he doing up there? Making a mess. All right. That's pretty good. Be careful. All right. All right, going over here. Wow. Holy cow, the whole thing is full. Oh. Want me to stop? I should probably start that at the other end. Careful. Wow. Coming out of the spout.
Yeah.
Wow. Am I halfway across? Almost. Where? Right under me? Or where?
Right under you.
Almost done, huh? Huh?
It's pretty clear now.
Well, a lot of it up here. All right. It's flowing. All right, careful now, careful. Relax. Yep. No. All right. Coming down. I'm thirsty. Did I live? Wow. I lived. Look at it.
Oh, you're cut off. I'm glad you made it back to the earth.
All right. Neighbors are taking pictures or recording me or something. That's the end of that. I didn't do that for a few years. All right. Don't try that at home. Call somebody. I would gladly pay somebody $100 to do that. Talk to you later. Please subscribe. See ya.